This is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. Winter storm warning in effect until 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time this morning. Wind chill advisory remains in effect from 5 a.m. early this morning to noon Mountain Standard Time today. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning, which is in effect until 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. The snow will decrease Saturday morning. Snow accumulations, 6 to 12 inches. Wind and visibility, northeast winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Visibility is down to a quarter mile in heavy snow. Only minor drifting of the snow. Wind chill values, 15 to 25 below zero. The following impacts are expected. Roads will be snow-covered and may become impassable during the period of heavy snow. Cold temperatures and winds will produce dangerous wind chill temperatures with possible hypothermia conditions with exposed skin. A winter storm warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. If you must venture outdoors this morning, make sure you wear a hat and gloves.